y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another clean with me. My house is pretty messy this day, so I just needed to clean my living room, my kitchen, our master bedroom, and my daughter's bathroom. So I'm just starting in on tidying up the living room, picking up all the toys off the floor, straightening the pillows, and folding the blankets.
Hearts on fire, I'm tripping on your pale lights. Me and you.
I don't know if you can tell, but little Miss down there made a little campfire for all her stuffed animals. It was really cute.
You make the moon blue, baby, I'm yours. Yeah, you breathe fire, baby, oh. You make me howl, yeah, baby, I'm yours.
I'm then going to take my Method Wood for Good cleaner and I'm going to clean off our side tables and our TV stand.
Till the end, swaying on the edge.
And I did decide to go ahead and decorate my side tables. If you guys watched my spring decorate with me, I was so back and forth on this and I ended up not decorating them, but afterwards I just decided to and I've been loving it.
We move all over, light up every corner, dancing, smoking, plain sight, scheming, dreaming, breathing fire. We're made of stardust, shining high on love, drops, riding just to stay wild, roaming, howling.
After that, I'm going to put some oil in my diffuser. I love this diffuser. I got it from Walmart for like 20 bucks. It's really nice and it puts out a ton of steam. The top that goes over it is actually ceramic. And in my last video, I asked you guys suggestions on essential oils, and I ended up going with Eden's Garden, and I can't wait for all of them to come in.
Baby, I'm yours. Stay forever wild, young until the end, swaying on the edge.
So I'm going to clean up my foyer a bit and sweep and mop it. After that, I'm going to head into my living room and we have the floor and the couch is a good vacuum. And you'll notice I'm drinking my Teamy Skinny Tea. Teamy actually did send me their Skinny and their Colon Tea to give a try out. I will say I don't really like the Colon Tea. I just don't feel like it does much other than give you stomach cramps. The first time I drank it, it did actually work, but after that it's been a little bit of a bust for me. But I have really enjoyed the Skinny Tea. It's supposed to speed up your metabolism, give you energy, and reduce bloat and help you lose weight. I haven't really noticed any significant weight loss, but I have enjoyed it for energy and for reducing bloat. Plus, it tastes really good. I drink it iced with some stevia, and I love it. So, if you guys want to try out the Skinny Tea or the Colon Tea for yourselves, I'll link the website down below, and you can also use code NR15 for 15% off. And if you don't want to buy the tea, the tumbler is also really cool. It has a strainer in it so you can drink loose leaf tea. The Skinny Tea is actually loose leaf, and the discount code will work on the tumbler as well.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about.
And here's my living room all nice and sparkling clean. After that, I'm going to head into the kitchen and get the dishes all loaded up.
But I don't know that much about you.
Once I got those all loaded, I'm going to scrub my sink with some Barkeeper's Friend. I always love that stuff.
Since I met you for the first time, you know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
After that, I took all my plants down off my windowsill and I just wiped down the window and the windowsill and then put all my plants back.
The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move, it kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go when I come real close.
And then while I'm wiping down my counters, I'm also going to wipe down my appliances, my dishwasher, and my stove.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you
I love this little bread sign. I got this at a thrift store for 25 cents. I just think it's so cute, especially for only 25 cents.
Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy.
And to wipe everything down, I'm still using my lavender Mrs. Myers. I'm going to be using this stuff for a while. I love the smell.
Do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah.
I'm going to light my lavender candle, and I love this candle. It smells just like the Mrs. Myers spray, so if you like that, you'll like that candle, and I just got that from Marshall's. And then going to use that same wood for good cleaner. I love that stuff. And I'm just going to wipe down our kitchen table.
Ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted?
I then let that barkeeper's friend soak while I was wiping everything down, so I just gave that a good scrub and rinsed it all out. After that, I'm just cleaning my trash can because I feel like this thing is always so dirty.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up.
I'm then gonna head into my daughter's bathroom and start giving this a good clean. I'm gonna start with wiping down the mirror and then her counter, and then I'm gonna clean the toilet and then the floors.
And me, you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
After that, I head into our master bedroom and I just clear some things off the bed that I left in there. And then I'm going to start in on wiping down our dresser and our nightstands.
'cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was baby, it was.
I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said.
Then once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna wipe down our mirrors and give the floor a quick vacuum. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you tons of motivation. If you did like this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe if you're new. I would absolutely love to have you here, and if you are subscribed, make sure and turn on your notification bell. That's it for today, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. See you back here next time. Bye.
Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a lie?